What's up, Kato K? Happy 4th of July, Zapography. And we're gonna try to do a quick zap. I'm actually downtown Miami right now. And they're gonna do fireworks at a lot of locations in South Florida, but downtown Miami, my goal is to get the epic fireworks with the downtown Miami skyline. So step one, I've done some research. I'm gonna try to get sneaky and get across the port of Miami, which is right behind me over here. But I already see the police over there. So let's see what I can do. Downtown Miami, Kato K with Zapography. Happy 4th of July. Let's see if we can get some awesome pictures today. I made it to the other side of the Port of Miami Bridge. There seems to be no one around because the police are blocking traffic. But now things get a little interesting. See you in a little bit. Probably next time I talk, hopefully we'll get some fireworks. Kind of the shots I'm getting right now. I'm gonna show you the settings. So right now I'd have a 10 seconds, f8, and ISO 100. I'm just checking my work here. I just continuing with the shutter. Kato K, and still I can't get enough. Taking more pictures. Can't stop zapping. So the boats come by. I'm gonna keep going until they kick me out. Happy 4th of July? All right. Thank you, happy 4th. The cops finally got me behind me. I still got a couple good pictures though. It's better that the police hit you up when you're done shooting rather than before. So it's a wrap from Miami. Heading back to the car right now. Actually, I have to work tonight. DJ, shout out Blue Martini, Fort Lauderdale. But thanks so much for tuning in, Zapography. Be sure to follow at Zapography. And I'm gonna pick one of the best shots from this edition, and I am going to make a print and hook you up. So first 500 followers, we're only at, I think maybe at this at 150. So please tell your friends, follow Zapography. I want to thank all the support, everybody who checked out episode number 1. Happy 4th of July, Zapography, live and direct, downtown Miami. We out.